In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite voice chat not working. First, go to your speakers here, right click, and then go to sound settings. Over here, you want to make sure your speakers are set correctly to your speaker. So if you have multiple, just set it to the correct one, and the volume is increased. Make sure this is not to 0. Down here, you'll see the microphone. So make sure the microphone is set to an active microphone. So I'm using the HyperX, that's why I selected it. And here you'll see like some extra options here. So here I will just go back, and down here you will see the volume for your microphone. As you can see, when I speak, this thing moves, so make sure you have the same thing. And here you will see also, so here you will see more sound settings. Click on it, and here under recordings, you want to make sure that your microphone is also working here. So you'll see this tab. So sometimes it might be disabled, so if you see it like disabled, you want to right click and enable it. So once you have this done, you can just close this down. And now once this is done, you can check in your Fortnite settings and see if everything is enabled there. So once you have that done, I suggest you restarting your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue.